Hello, this is Chris Matthews with SUSI Adapters. Today I'm going to show you how to change out an old GE antiquated meter with a new meter from Schneider Electric, the PM8000 in the SUSI adapter. Remove the old cover and you can throw that away. You won't need that again. Then remove the paddle, which actually shorts the CTs. You can do this with actually the power on if you choose to, but save that. You'll need that in about 1 minute. Then unlatch the top and bottom of the old meter, slide it out, throw that out as well. You won't need that again. Take the new meter in the SUSI adapter and make sure the latches are open. Slide it in place, latch at the top and bottom. Take the original paddle, plug that back in. That'll unshort the CTs, put the meter in service, and take the cover that comes with the adapter. Just mount that on. Okay, and there you have it. In 2 minutes, where there was an old antiquated GE meter, now you have a new Schneider meter, the PM8000.